Alright, we're on deck with 2009 custom all aluminum workboat. This is a 30-footer, and as you can see, we've got two Yamaha 4-stroke 150s on the back, and got a fully mounted aluminum bracket there. We've got aluminum transom, all aluminum, everything's aluminum. It's either 3/16 aluminum or it's 1/8 aluminum in the hull on the keel. Alright, so anyway, right here we got our batteries, two separate batteries. This is a basic boat. It's built for hard work and hauling crew or equipment. The back deck here is it's about 10 by 6 foot area. These clamps here hold an ice chest, which is no longer around, and all your electronics go through this panel in the flowboard up to the helm, which we have steering. We got Yamaha 704 remote, throttle, dual switches. Got our trim. We got tachometer for each engine, and then we have our accessories, which is anchor light, running light, cabin light, bilge pump, and 2 extra accessories. And this is all a 2-inch frame top. There's a T-top on it. It's a light blue color. Very durable. You can probably stand up there and jump on it. Move up to the forward section here. We have a seat attached to the console, but what's in there is actually... Alright, I changed my battery there. Anyway, here's the tank. And you can use that for a seat. And then we've got our T-top. It does have a slight tear in it, but it's no problem to repair. The front deck space is very large. It's 14 by 8 foot. You can put all kinds of equipment there, people, benches, whatever. And then we have the forward area. You got a huge storage area under here. And then on the front we have these big rubber bumpers. Alright. Here's your cleats. Got 4 of them, one on each corner. And that's what she looks like. And we're going to go down. Alright, we're ground level now. Take a look at those engines again in that big bracket. There's our trim tabs. There's that all aluminum boat. Dual axles. Aluminum I-beam trailer. Here's the seller riding his tractor. And we have 10,000 pound surge brake on the front. And the brakes on the trailer, we have 2 disc brakes. All officers welcome.